Hello and welcome to our Chennai 98 YouTube video on how to surf the web anonymously. In this digital age, it's more important than ever to protect your online privacy. Whether you are browsing the internet for personal or professional reasons, there are many tools and techniques available to help keep your personal information secure. Today, we'll be exploring some of these tools and techniques to help you surf the web anonymously and protect your online identity. Section 1. Understanding the importance of online privacy. The internet is a vast and complex place, and while it offers many benefits, it also poses many risks to your personal privacy. Web tracking, data breaches, and geolocation tracking are just a few of the many threats that can compromise your online privacy. To protect yourself, it's important to understand the importance of online privacy and take steps to safeguard your personal information. Section 2. How to surf anonymously. One of the best ways to protect your online privacy is by surfing the web anonymously. There are many tools and techniques available to help you do this, including using a virtual private network, VPN, the Tor browser, and anonymous proxies. We'll walk you through how to use these tools and explain the benefits of each. Section 3. Best practices for anonymous browsing. While using these tools can help you surf the web anonymously, there are also best practices to follow to ensure you stay safe online. We'll cover topics such as encryption, secure browsing, and data privacy, as well as provide tips on how to avoid common pitfalls when browsing anonymously. In addition to the benefits, there are many additional advantages to using Surf Anonymous Free to protect your online privacy. Some of these benefits include increased internet freedom. By browsing the web anonymously, you can access content that may be restricted or censored in your region, giving you greater access to information. Protection from cybercrime. Surfing anonymously can help protect you from cybercrime, such as identity theft, hacking, and phishing attacks, which are more likely to occur when your personal information is exposed. Increased privacy on social media. By using Surf Anonymous Free, you can browse social media sites without having to worry about your personal information being tracked or monitored by third-party advertisers. Protection from government surveillance. Browsing the web anonymously can help protect you from government surveillance and monitoring, which may violate your privacy rights. Enhanced security for online transactions. When shopping online or conducting financial transactions, Surf Anonymous Free can help protect your personal and financial information from being accessed by unauthorized parties. Overall, Surf Anonymous Free is an effective tool for protecting your online privacy and increasing your security online. By taking advantage of the benefits outlined in the script, you can surf the web with confidence, knowing that your personal information is secure and your privacy is protected. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to surf the web anonymously and protect your online privacy. Remember, there are many tools and techniques available to help you stay safe online, and it's important to take steps to safeguard your personal information. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with others who may benefit from this information. Thanks for watching.